Okay, Michelle, here's a quick way to add your tutorial assignment to your week folder. All right, so just real quick, if you import it from resources, everything will be all set for you. So just take it from our group, AVID Tutorial Resources, and at the bottom of the list, or towards the bottom, we have online tutorial. You can see that the rubric is already attached to it, and import. Once you import, obviously you're not done. It didn't ask you when it should be due or anything. So go to the bottom of your folder wherever it landed and edit from there your preferences on the due time. Let's see. So that's a forced copy that will work. It will become theirs. If they turn it in this way rather than the Google assignment, don't use a Google assignment. That's what's messing it up. All right, so then set your due date whenever it is. It already fills in 20 points because the rubric adds up to 20 points. Make sure it goes into a category. Okay, and you can change. I notice you label it differently. You can change it to change the title or add the date, to it. Okay, that's up to you. I'm just going to kind of do a bunch of H's just so we can locate it, and then save changes. All right, so there it is. Ended up at the bottom of the folder, ready to go. Students can access the assignment that way and turn it in there too.